7 tips for using magic erasers safely. Prepare for a mind-blowing cleaning revelation. Dry magic erasers? Oh no, that's like asking a unicorn to stop sparkling. Wet them to activate their enchanting powers. That soft foam can turn into a sanding machine. Keep it away from your delicately painted surfaces. These petite powerhouses can handle almost anything, but they won't be gentle on your skin. Gloves, please. Plush and innocent looking? Think again. Using them on granite or marble is a recipe for a dull disaster. Don't go scratching that non-stick goodness. Magic erasers aren't friends with your precious pots and pans. You want shiny, not shabby. Avoid scrubbing your stainless steel appliances to a dull, scratchy nightmare. Spot test, dear cleaning aficionado. A small tryout can save you from cleaning catastrophes. Now armed with these cleaning secrets, go forth and conquer dirt and grime with confidence. Because now you know.